Okay, here we go. Wow, we're in the middle of a fun walk with thousands of students. And Zoe and Masha the bear and Grandma. And it's Sunday, June 21st in Singaraja. Wow. Massive event. And another stream going this way. Wow. Totally Indonesian.
I heard there was going to be cosplayers in the crowd today, and this is one that as soon as I saw, oh, Bule is there, and so he had to show himself. Everybody was having a lot of fun, but look at this massive crowd. It is just amazing. And one of the things that just fascinates me endlessly is the ability of Indonesians to have a great time when they are surrounded by so many people and unable to move. Once the drum band starts to move, you'll see the crowd just follow it because they want to get somewhere where it's a little less crowded. And you'll see in the seats there, the first row is saved for the governor. The governor is coming along with the Bupati. And so as the crowd surges past those reserved seats, the MCs are trying to get people to stop walking there and help, and don't get in front of the reserved seats for the special guest. But of course, this is Indonesia, and everybody does exactly what they want to. But it did work out. So part of the crowd got through, including us at the very end, and at that point, then security stopped the rest of the people from surging on so that they would not be sitting or standing in front of the governor. And with Zoe and Masha, we had to stop and buy some little trinkets. There were stickers and some other things that they wanted to buy there. And so shopping is one of the main reasons they like coming on these walks on Sunday to Taman Kota. And then following that, it was time to get some food.
All right, we're going to try to get into the street with food in it, which should be a trick if you got a bunch of hungry students here. Where are they going?
If you're just visiting Bali and maybe the first time or the second time, or you never really get out of the tourist bubbles down in the south or over in Ubud or Ahmed, try visiting the cities, Denpasar, Singaraja, Karangasem, hang out with the people, find out where there are things happening, like these days on Sunday when they close the street for everybody to walk, and there's markets and food, and people are doing skateboarding and all sorts of strange things. This is how you find out what Bali is really like once you get outside of the tourist industry. And the tourist industry, it's a very important part of life here, but life goes on just like it does everywhere else. For all those people that are serving you a cappuccino or your avocado toast or whatever you're having in a tourist area, get out and see what people are doing. They love talking to people. This is a chance to meet people in a non-commercial basis. They're not serving you. They don't want to sell you something. You don't want to get something from you. You just want to hang out and find out what life is really like here. And this is one excellent way to do that. So if you're up here in Singaraja on a Sunday, this is a great place to visit. But down in Denpasar and Karangasem and different places around the island, you'll find similar things happening. And so get out and take a look. Talk to some people. Even with limited English, people will come up and talk to you. I had kids trying to have conversations with me all day, high school kids and junior high school kids who wanted to practice their very limited English. But it was unusual for them to see a foreigner. The 3 hours that we were at this thing, I was the only foreigner around. And here we are with the big attraction of the day, the snakes. There are a bunch of snakes here. People had snakes, all sorts of different snakes, pythons, and I forget, this guy said this was a snake from Papua. And so you can see what's happening here. They won't bite you. Like you get. Go ahead, try it. They won't bite.
Ini sudah memeriahkan panggung kreatif Fun Walk Road to Bali Digital Festival kedua tahun 2023. Terima kasih tentunya kami ucapkan kepada Bapak Gubernur Bali, Bapak Wayan Koster, yang telah begitu luar biasa menyelenggarakan, menggagas acara ini sebagai salah satu bentuk support terhadap 44 tonggak peradaban ya menuju Bali era baru. Selanjutnya dengan hormat mohon berkenan Bapak Gubernur Bali untuk dapat berfoto bersama para dancer.
Lari ke Buleleng, Ruiqi ada tokoh wisata. Main timbal-timbal aja mengejar. Hormat kami, gubernur kami semuanya dari Buleleng. Yang melari ke Buleleng, Singaraja kena indah kemuliaan. Biar dulu ke asalnya bergabung.